Flat-footed daw si Casimero, sabi ng Briton na bagito. Bansang Britanya, ginulat tuloy sa lakas ni Cuadro Alas. Magandang araw mga pre, mayong adlaw pod sa mga Bisaya diha. Bago natin simulan, kung bago ka pa lang napadaan sa aking munting tahanan, pasuporta naman, click mo lang ang subscribe button at notification bell button. Palike na rin ang video para lagi kang updated sa mga bago kong uploads. September 10, 2016, dumayo si Casimero sa kauna-unahang pagkakataon sa bansang Britanya para dipinsahan ang kanyang titulong IBF World Flyweight Champion laban sa bagitong prospect na may undefeated na record na si Charlie Edwards, na kung saan ginulat nga ni Casimero ang bansang Britanya sa unang laban niya. Bago ang laban ay sinabi pa nitong si Edwards na sa gabi ng kanilang bakbakan ay sigurado daw siyang makukuha niya ang titulong hawak-hawak ni Casimero. Ito daw ang tadhana niya na nakasulat sa mga tala, ang maging kampiyon sa ikasyam niyang laban bilang professional boxer. Dagdag pa niya, noong nalaman daw niya na Filipino si Casimero, ay akala daw niya na may malapakyaw itong galaw, mabilis ang kamay at paa. Pero nung makita daw niya ang videotape ng laban ni Casimero, ay mabagal daw ito, slow-footed daw ito, may malakas lang daw itong suntok, pero sigurado daw siyang wala daw itong panlaban sa bilis ng galaw niya sa ibabaw ng lona. Tanging tsansa lang daw ni Casimero na manalo sa kanya ay kung matamaan daw siya ng solido, na kung saan malabo daw ito. Hindi din siya kumbinsido sa panalo ni Casimero sa huling laban nito kontra sa Thai na si Amnat. Para sa kanya, panalo daw si Amnat sa laban nila kung hindi lang nakatama o nakatsamba si Casimero ng solido at manockout ito. Ginawa daw si Casimero para sa kanya, para maging kampiyon sa gagawing laban nila. Sa weigh-in pa lang makikitang gusto ng kunin ng bagitong Briton ang hawak-hawak ni Casimero na sinturon. Makikitang malakas ang kumpiyansa at tiwala sa sarili na kayang pantayan ang lakas at angas ni Cuadro Alas. Sa gabi ng bakbakan nila ay dala-dala ni Casimero ang record na 22 wins, only 3 defeats at 14 dito via knockout. Habang si Charlie Edwards naman ay bit-bit ang malinis pero batang kartada na 8 wins at 3 dito via knockout.
Bir mağlubiyet, çok tek bir maç olacak. Rakip Çek.
Unang round, makikitang sobrang agresibo ng ating pambato. Tila gusto nang lapain ang batang leon sa unang round pa lang. Pero palaban din itong si Edwards, kumakounter din at ginagamitan ng mga galaw sa lona.
Everything he needs to do in this, but once that plan, and you know we're seeing here, Casimiro's actually getting up to him closer a little bit earlier than what I expected. I thought he'd take look another right hand. I was expecting it to be a.
He could be mistaken for 16 or 17 and maybe
trying to settle into the fight. Oh, and then big right hand, nice right hand there by Casimero. Totally agree with you, Dave. I do.
Arrow. And he thought, I can do this guy. He's a plodder.
Second round, agresibo pa rin si Casimero pero makikitang mas mabilis at mas magalaw talaga itong si Edwards. Kaya naman nahihirapan ang ating kababayan na matamaan ng pamatay nitong suntok.
Boxing exhibition, got to implement it.
So you can jab, you can counter over his shot.
Yeah.
You should try to almost lure it out of him and get ready to counter it. You know that right hand.
He's struggling a lot to run that jab. He's not making use of his hand, which you would hope that early doors, you know, Charlie would make him work hard, use his leg.
Third round, mas makamay pa rin itong Briton. Di pa nakitaan ng pagod habang si Casimero ay patuloy sa paghahanap ng saktong tiyempo para mapatama ang tunay na lakas ng isang Cuadro Alas.
If he's not there, then get your feet out there.
And before that he held the light flyweight crown. So he's but it is such a leap.
And learning fights along the way. But, you know,
Believe in himself a little bit more. I think he has the sharp other punches behind that jab, either more.
be doing.
Fourth round, dito na mas nakakatama ng solido si Casimero. Uppercut ang tumama sa mukha at sinabayan pa ng mga body shots. Bahagyang nahilo si Edwards dito pero agad naman itong nakabawi at natapos ang ika-4 na round.
And just started to dig in some body shots and really wean them.
You see,
Big uppercut, and Edwards felt that, and that's a break.
as he's trying to escape so much, he's showing the legs. He's not, and he's gonna have to settle down.
Though Casimero, left eye. Well, there's something that's gone wrong for the champion.
Sa mga sumunod na round, mas maraming suntok na binibitawan, mas maraming jabs, habang si Casimero ay limitado lang ang kamao. Patuloy lang sa paghanap ng magandang tiyempo.
He's using his feet to get himself into range and a bit of it.
Seasoning again that John Real Casemiro can fight, and that took it. And Danny Vaughners.
A little bit far behind, just making it look.
City, but he's really
Those jabs that he's shooting are terrific, but a lot of them like that, he would win the round on just on controlling the pitch.
2007 for John Real Casemiro. That's the difference.
A lot more body shots than this.
So the judges, you know, these ones could be split at 11.
Well, maybe he doesn't, but you know, if you're not landing punches,
You see, you look at Casemiro, how he's loading up on every single shot.
less to the head as he's missing more of those headshots.
Young baby. But you look at it.
Happening around the left ear of Charlie Edwards.
Another thing he did in the corner, they told
Round 7, nahilo na naman ang kalaban nang matamaan ng mga sunod-sunod na uppercut ni Cuadro Alas. Pero matibay talaga ang panga nitong batang Briton at natapos pa rin ang round kahit hilong-hilo na.
Charlie last 2 rounds because he's
Lose to Amnet Ruarong. A little bit of time ago by Steve Gray, but he's starting to just get through, and Edwards felt that. Oh, big shots here from Casemiro, and Charlie Edwards has
or at least if he's gonna duck that way, put his hand in front of his face, front of your face, palm facing the floor, open glove, and what happens? You'll catch him.
stronger and in charge, and look at that.
Sa mga sumunod na round ay tila di pa rin takot ang kalaban. Patuloy na sumusuntok at sumusugod at lumalaban kahit maraming kamao na ang sinasalo sa ulo at katawan.
Raise. And Casemiro was actually doing it to him there. Big right hand.
But this is real, and this is world.
When the fight becomes this difficult.
A little bit of effect.
Once again, I like the instructions in the corner from Danny. Comes in with wide over the top right hand, so with his right hand. So if he,
Rat-a-tat, get the punches home.
he's not got the experience of looking at us in the body shots.
little nuances, the little adjustment,
You know, for the first 4 or 5 rounds.
the ring off, making Edwards work 2 or 3 times as hard. Everybody's convinced that Casemiro will.
Round 10, patuloy na nakipagsabayan itong batang Briton sa lakas ni Cuadro Alas. Di natinag sa mga kanan na uppercut sa ulo at patama sa katawan. Pero matapos ang 1 minuto sa ika-10 round, nasa pull sa kaliwang counter ni Casemiro ang panga nitong batang leon at bagsak ito.
You struggled when you were in that division.
When I boxed, way back, there was about 26 fighters in Britain. Now, it's
Oh, beautiful shot.
Walk into it.
Sinubukan pang tumayo at ituloy ang laban. Pero matapos bilangan ay pinaulanan na agad ni Casemiro ng suntok ang hilong-hilong kalaban at wala na. Tinapos na rin ng referee ang nasabing bakbakan.
Does he have the experience to hold? Can he recover from that? I don't think so. Steve Gray holds it. It is over. John Real Casemiro.
Tagumpay na nadipinsaan ni Cuadro Alas ang titulo. Panalo siya via 10th round TKO at namarkahan ang malinis na record nito. Matapos ang laban, na-interview itong si Edwards at sinabing matalinong boxer daw talaga si Casemiro at di biro ang lakas ng kamao nito. Nasapo lang daw siya ng solido kaya natalo. Pero babalik daw siya sa gym para ulit mag-ensayo at tutuparin ang pangarap na maging kampiyon. Taong 2018, matapos ang 2 taon ay nakuha na ni Charlie Edwards ang WBC World Flyweight na titulo kontra kay Christopher Sales via unanimous decision. Shoutout kay Rocky Vinan, Martin Gamino, Josue Ukay, Clifford Garcia from Bohol, Felix Bandijas from North Caloocan City, Franco TV, El Guapo 21, Local Filipino Boxing Updates, Francisco Jimenez, AG Official Vlog from Malaysia, Julio TV, Boy Bahal TV, Silvans Vlogs, Andoy Info TV, The Hunter Channel. Maraming salamat sa panonood mga pre. As always, amping mo perme.